बोलो बोलो बोलो।
मैम 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 या on this yeah camera look ma'am straight this camera ma'am this look
थोड़ा जरा बाजू लगा।
अरे जूम करो ना पीछे कैमरा पीछे करो अरे कैमरा पीछे जूम करो ना पीछे 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 जूम करो सबको मिलेगा जूम करो
They just need a visual. Give and hold the mic. Asking the questions.
Questions, yeah.
How do you see grooming as a styling?
I think grooming is very important for all of us today. Not only for actors. I think you can be in any profession, but all men, all boys, men of all age need to groom themselves. I think it's very women like it. I think so. We do it for the girls. My personal style fashion today is it's very like out of bed, messy. I think it's cool. Not so much product. It's not so glossy. It looks a bit natural. So this is what I like, and they're the best people to style me. They're a brand. Dusange is a brand from Paris. It's more than 50 years old. बहुत पुराना है. इनकी जो unique techniques है, इनके style quotient, their hand techniques. They have great products for men and women. I think finally have a place where you can come to and do our skin care and hair care products. Best compliment till date I've got, I think would be my voice in Student of the Year. बॉलीवुड में आई थिंक हम लोग के सब हेयर स्टाइल बदलते रहते हैं. आई थिंक रिसेंटली अगर मैं देखूँ तो आई थिंक सैफ अली खान ट्राइज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट हेयर. आई थिंक ही इज़ ग्रेट. मिस्टर आमिर खान चेंजेस हिज हेयर अ लॉट. आई थिंक विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. हम लोग को एक स्टाइल रखना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आई थिंक हर पिक्चर अलग होती है. हर पिक्चर के हिसाब से अलग अलग बाल और अलग लुक होना चाहिए. तो मिस्टर आमिर खान हमेशा करते हैं वो. आई थिंक तो ही इज़ अ ग्रेट गाय हु चेंजेस द लुक्स ऑल द टाइम. Which actor I admire in terms of? I think बचपन से देखा है. I'm a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. I think Shah Rukh Khan has great style in terms of acting. Styling, I think what I can see recently is Hrithik Roshan. I think उनका धूम मचाले में जो look था, his long hair and his chiseled body and everything else in Dhoom was damn cool. I think he made the bronze and lean look very good and very heroic in Dhoom. I think recently, again even stylish. I think Ranbir Kapoor is very stylish recently. He's trying different looks. His look is different in all his films. So yeah, I think all of us are trying different looks. This is not my current look for this film, but this is styled by them today. Hopefully, I'll have a different look for the next film. हाँ. Well, happy birthday, Ranbir. All the best to you and great. Yeah, hopefully you'll keep entertaining us with good films. हाँ. हाँ जी. बच्चन साहब. Well, Bachchan साहब का बर्थडे आ रहा है तो as one of his big fans, and I think happy birthday Mr. Bachchan, and you'll keep ruling the industry, you'll keep entertaining us for many more years to come. हाँ जी. ये एक्चुअली ये डोल्चे एंड गबाना कर रहा है तो मैं नहीं कर रहा. उनकी लाइन है, मेरे को बहुत कूल लगी. एंड सिंस आई एम ऑल्सो endorsing this brand, I think both me and Dolce & Gabbana are endorsing this brand. So I think it's quite cool and funky to wear a Coca-Cola brand. Well, हम लोग सब जो हमारे स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर ग्रुप है सब बहुत से दोस्त हैं. मैं, वरुण, आलिया, हम तीनों अपनी पिक्चर वगैरह डिस्कस करते हैं, अपने गाने सुनाते हैं, अपने प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस करते हैं. तो हम तीनों तो हैं ही. बाकी काफ़ी फ्रेंडली लोग हैं इंडस्ट्री में. आई थिंक धर्मा के सारे बाकी आई थिंक धर्मा के सारे डायरेक्टर्स हैं, उन सबको हम जान चुके हैं बचपन से। करण मल्होत्रा मेरे फर्स्ट एडी थे जिन्होंने पिक्चर बनाई। आयान मुखर्जी से हम फ्रेंडली है। अभिषेक वर्मन मेरे साथ एडी था जो 2 स्टेज बना रहा है। तो आई थिंक हमारा पूरा एक धर्मा काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप है बिकॉज वी ऑल वर्क इन द सेम ऑफिस। तो हाँ, उन सबसे दोस्ती है।
Siddharth, there are a lot of your fans who've been tweeting me. A lot of the girls there, they are telling me, how does Siddharth manages to look 20 and 22 till now? What's
really?
his favorite perfume? So we would want you to talk about it.
Favorite perfume? I think does the perfume make me look 22, 23? They've not smelled me as now. Oh, that's what they're saying. Okay, I wish I knew that. But I wear different brands of perfume. I think Abercrombie and Fitch. There is a Creed that I'm wearing right now. And yeah, as far as I think it's only thanks to my genetics, my parents. So yeah,
What
I
about
thank my parents.
young, because 21, 22 is what they've been like. I've got so many tweets saying that how come Siddharth manages to look so young day by day?
Well, as I said, I think मेरे को क्रेडिट नहीं आता, मेरे माँ बाप को जाता है। All thanks to my mom and my father and उनकी genetics और उनकी genes है। मैं ऐसा कुछ अलग नहीं कर रहा है, कोई secret cream नहीं है, secret कोई technique नहीं है to look young. I think hopefully stay.
Just say about Twitter, why doesn't Siddharth come so often on Twitter? Usually we used to chat.
Well, I used to. I think Twitter takes, it's a great medium for us to get a good feedback and to communicate with our fans. But unfortunately, when you're working, आपके दिमाग में आता नहीं, you have so many other things to do. And I've been shooting non-stop for a film. I just finished my film Hasi To Pasi, and now I'm going straight into the villain. So hopefully, in the middle of all this, I'll find time to tweet and find interesting things to talk to them about.
सिद्धार्थ, आपने अपनी हंसी और फंसी आपकी हंसी और फंसी फिल्म का स्टेटस जानना चाहेंगे, क्या है?
वेल स्टेटस अब खत्म होगी पिक्चर। तो वी हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड द फुल फिल्म पिछले हफ्ते। सो हंसी तो पसी इज ओवर। अब हंसाने से मैं लोगों को रुलाऊंगा, थोड़ा गुस्सा करूंगा। विलन शुरू हो रही है, गेटिंग इनटू अ न्यू रोल। आई हैव अ डिफरेंट लुक which we'll get into next week. And yeah, so very excited to start with Mohit Suri. I think he's the best guy to bring out the bad in me.
आपने अपने इस लुक से कितनों को फंसाया है, सही से बताइएगा।
वेल अभी तक तो परिणीति को ही कोशिश कर रहा था पूरी पिक्चर में। वो आप पिक्चर देख के पता चलेगा कि वो फंसी कि नहीं फंसी। बट हाँ, ये लुक बदलने वाली है। हम लोग कुछ नया ट्राई करेंगे विलन के लिए। Mohit Suri is known for styling his actors really well, and he's very much into the look and different clothes. So hopefully we'll have a good character to play in villain.
Siddharth, how much do you experiment with your looks in terms of your hair?
Well, I will. As I said, I'm going to try a different look for Hasi. This is a continuity look for Hasi To Pasi, and today they've styled it very messy, very cool. And I'm going to change this hair. Hopefully, we'll have a totally different look that you've never seen me in. Since we've only done 2 films, so we have so many more looks to do. That's it.
Brands are necessary for style.
Okay, one last question. We're done? Okay, last question.
Do you think that brands are necessary for style?
For style, for fashion, I think brand not necessary like you have to go a particular brand. I think it's more what suits you and something that you like. I didn't buy this T-shirt because it's a particular brand. I bought it because of I thought Coca-Cola was damn cool, and since I'm also endorsing it, it'll be a funky, cool, casual thing to wear. So I don't think brands are so important. I think आपको क्या सूट करता है, आपको किस तरह के फिट आते हैं, या किस आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस क्या है। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी सब्जेक्टिव कि आपको ब्रांड मेरे को पर्सनली ब्रांड दिखाना पसंद नहीं है। आई थिंक it's cool with the Coca-Cola is not a brand per se. I think Coca-Cola is just funky and cool to wear.
Okay, thank you.
But that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.